what up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I'm back with another wig review. This time we are doing a unit brought to you by Afsisterwig, and it is a beautiful body wave unit, and it's gorgeous. Like, the hair is so soft. It came in this beautiful box. It did have a bow, so I want to show it to you with the bow. So look above. That was it with the bow. But this is how it's coming now. And in the box, outside of the wig, they give you some more combs and a band, and actually 2 wig caps, so a tan and a black, I guess depending on what kind you like. But they're actually both the net kind, so I probably won't be using it because it's like a weaving cap. Okay. So this is the unit. It's a 360 unit. And it's really nice because they've already gone in, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pre-plucked. So I think that'll be really nice in terms of putting this unit on and not having to do much. I mean, getting a pre-plucked unit that is plucked well, OMG. Like, that's the best. So I'm hoping that that's gonna go really well when I put it on. And let's go ahead and start to working on this unit. Oh, if you want info on this unit that I have on here, okay, go ahead and click that button right there, and you can see the review I did on this unit, this beautiful, beautiful unit. Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Anywho, go ahead, click the link. You can watch that. So let's jump into this unit. So I hope you guys like this review. This is once again a Afsisterwig, and the hair is just amazing. Like, it's so soft and just easy to run through, and I cannot wait to play with this unit and try so many different styles. I think I might even straighten it one day when I'm like completely done with these waves and I'm like, okay, I need something new. I think I might straighten it and see how I like that look. But yeah, I definitely love this unit. They definitely did a good job with this hair. And so I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.